Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and I am your friend Omkar. And today we are going to learn 15 useful shortcuts of Microsoft PowerPoint, and also we will see how to use them in our presentation, and this will increase your skills of presentation. And if you are beginner or if you want to become a professional in Microsoft PowerPoint, then you must know these 15 useful shortcuts. One more thing, I have divided this in two parts. The first is basic shortcuts and second is text shortcuts. So today we are going to see about basic shortcuts, and in the upcoming video I will upload a second part of this, that is text shortcuts. So please watch this complete video because every point in this video is much important for you. So as I said, I have divided the shortcuts into part. First is basic shortcuts and second is text shortcuts. So today we will learn about basic shortcuts. So first we are going to see how to open new presentation using the shortcut key Control plus N. You can see on the keyboard I have highlighted keys. So you have to press these keys simultaneously with one hand only. Try it. So here you can see this is the presentation. This is only the first presentation, and if you want to open a new presentation in this, in general we go to file option, and in here new we open blank presentation or any presentation you want. But there is one shortcut key. If you press Ctrl plus N, and you can see a new presentation is open. Here you can see this board presentation. This was my previous, and this is the second one. So you can apply this. The second one is how to open an existing presentation. So for that shortcut keys is Ctrl plus O. Let us see. So now this is the presentation, and if I want to open such, in general I will go to file, and from here open I will open one, but I have to use a shortcut key. So I will press Ctrl plus O on my keyboard, and see it directly opens, and it also take me to this tab, and from here I can open the any file which I want, for example this one. So the third shortcut key is for duplicate and slide duplicate. So the shortcut keys are Control plus D. So now we will use it. Here I will first take a blank slide, and I will insert any object. Well, and I will now press Control plus D on my keyboard to duplicate it. From here only we will select this and press Control D as many times as you want to duplicate it. This method is also applicable to duplicate this slides also. For example, I have to duplicate this slide, and in general I will right click on it and search here for duplicate slide. Instead I will select this one, and I will press Ctrl plus D on my keyboard and see. Another method is you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to duplicate. This is also the another method. So the fourth shortcut key is to copy. For that you have to press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard. Let's see. So here I have taken a blank slide, and now I will insert one object here. Let us take this one, and the traditional method is that we will click here, right click, and then we will copy, and then we will again click, right click, and we will paste it. So this is a time consuming method. So instead we will click on the object and we will press Ctrl plus C on our keyboard, and then you can paste it. So it helps to reduce your time consumption. So the fifth shortcut is cut. For that we will use Ctrl plus X. So let us see. So here I will first remove this all and insert one object, and usually we right click on this, and here we press cut, and if we have to paste it on another slide, then we open it and press paste option by right clicking on the slide. So this is the old method, so we will use the shortcut to cut this. For that I will press here Ctrl plus X, and see the object got cut. and now here I will press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and you can see here I have pasted it over here. So the 6 shortcut keys for the paste option, which is Ctrl plus V. Let us view that also. So here you can see one object is inserted, and I will press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and now I will press Ctrl plus V to paste it. In general we used to first right click anywhere and then we have to paste it, but we will not do so. We will directly copy or cut any object and press Ctrl plus V. Let me show you by cutting this. I will press Ctrl plus X to cut, and you can press Ctrl plus V. Okay, so you can see that, so you can use it. So the 7th shortcut key is for save, that is Ctrl plus S. So to save an object for imaging, I have to save this, then I will usually go to file, and then I will click on this save, or second option is I will click here to save, and the third shortcut key on your keyboard is to press Ctrl plus S. You can see it directly take me to save as, and now I can select from here where I have to save my slide. So the 8th one is close the presentation. For that we have to press Ctrl plus W on our keyboard to close the presentation. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I will show you how to use that shortcut key in here. So usually we close our window from here, and then we will say save, don't save, whatever you want, but instead I will click Ctrl plus W and see this pop-ups and asks the same, save, whether not save or cancel. The 9th one is save and close up presentation. So here we have to do the both things, and for that the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Q. Let us see it. So here you can see this presentation. So now I will press Ctrl plus Q to save and close. So the 10th is select all option shortcut key. So for that you have to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. So let me show you. So here suppose I include some objects. I have to select them all. So in general we go here on select panel and say select all. Instead now I will press Ctrl plus A on my keyboard to select this all. So the 11th shortcut is for undo, that is Ctrl plus Z. Let us see. So this is a new presentation, and I will first include this object, and then I will delete this object from here, or I will press the delete key on my keyboard, and this is deleted. Now suppose I have to bring that again, then I will press here, but instead I will press Ctrl plus Z to undo it. This is a much simpler, and it will consume your less time. Once you get practice on this, you will use this only. So the 12th shortcut key is for redo, that is Ctrl plus Y. Let us see that also. So now here again I will insert one object. Okay, so you can see that. Now if I have to redo, then I have to insert one more object, and when I will press here, so you can, when I will undo my option, then only I will get the redo option, and when I redo, everything get back. Instead I will press Ctrl plus Y on my keyboard to redo it. So it is a again simpler method to use. Now the 13th one is that shortcut key for link, that is Ctrl plus K. Now let us see that. Suppose that I have to link this object to the slide number 2, then I will right click and then I will go to hyperlink. Instead I will place Ctrl plus K on my keyboard, and see the hyperlink tab has opened here. So here I can select which I have to do, then I will link it from here. Now I have to link on this second, so I will go in this second and say slide number 2. and say OK. So now when I will click here, it will take me to this slide second. So the 14th one is for check for spellings, and the shortcut is F7 on your keyboard. So let us check how it works. So now here suppose I will type here something in this title box. I will type one wrong spelling, for example teacher. I will type some torture, and then I will select this, and or rather than don't select it, and then press F7 key on your keyboard, and it show me how I have done a spelling mistake. So I can change it from here. Then I will press change. Okay. Now if I press that key again, so it will show me that spell check complete, you are good to go. That means you have no spelling mistake till now. So the 15th one is to switch to presentation. For that you have to press Ctrl plus tab. So what is this switch to presentation? Let us see that. So let me take you here. Now you can see here that there are two presentations. So I can go on here or I can go to here. So this is only what calls so switch to presentation. For now example, I am open this and I have to open this second one. Then I will press here Ctrl plus tab and see. You can see here the second one has open. If I press again, then it will change. This is applied to multiple presentation. Thank you for watching my video. If you didn't understand something, please comment that below. I will solve your problem.